Welcome! This week I'm going over an easy way to paint Vampiric / Undead skin. For that I'll be using these ghoul models from Titanforge, which have a lot of exposed skin and well-defined muscles. From a black base I covered all the skin with 2 coats of grey, and then moved on to apply a wash all over it. This is just a normal acrylic diluted with water, no need to go get yourself some new fancy washes, just make sure to dilute it well. You can see that I'm getting almost no tinting in the raised areas, just pulling on the crevices. Once dry, I was left with this. If you have proper washes already, you can use them as well, but make sure to dilute them to avoid too much staining in the upper areas. I used a bluish tone on another ghoul, so you can decide which one suits you better. From here on, the same was done to both models. First, I highlighted the muscles with my base grey color. If you have doubts on highlighting muscles, I have another video where I go over the topic in detail. Here is how the first highlight ended up. The next step was to do the same but in a reduced area with the latter color. For that I added a little sky blue to the previous color. The white and the sky blue will desaturate the skin to make it look more dead, and the blue will provide a cold feeling to it. Just make sure not to add too much, we still want the skin to read as grey. A final highlight with a pinch more sky blue and an off-white color was applied to the upper parts. The last step is to tie upper color transitions and smooth them up. For that I applied 2 washes of the base grey color, with the same consistency as the first wash, making sure the model was completely dry between coats. After painting the rest of the model and basing it, I was left with this.